Okay, people, this is Paul Maxwell, aka The Leader. Watch Eddy Vision TV for all the latest sports and information, right? Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now before we get into the video, I want you guys to like, share and subscribe. There are approximately 86% of you guys watching and you guys are not subscribed, so please hit that subscription button and join the family. Okay, let's get into it. Christopher Pearson, U-20 starlet for the ReggaeBoyz, was stripped of his captaincy going into the third game against Antigua and Bermuda. Was a surprise to many, but definitely not me. His performances has not been the greatest. A lot of persons, called it for his head. Persons wanted to see Christopher Pearson out of the team, but Fuzzy saw otherwise. Still has him in the team, starting 3 games now. We're heading to the crucial game against Haiti in the round of 16. Who will be the captain for this game? We saw the last game, Boyce Clark, outstanding goalkeeper, was now the captain. So, we're wondering who would be the next captain going to this game, this crucial game against Haiti. So the big question is, was Christopher Pearson dropped as captain? According to a team manager, Fuzzy is rotating the captaincy. Yes. So we saw the goalkeeper, as I said before, with the captain ban. So are we looking to see another captain for this crucial game against Haiti? Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think about this? Is Fuzzy doing the right thing in rotating the captaincy? Or should it be with Christopher Pearson, the original captain? This young team definitely need a leader. And I think Christopher Pearson was doing that, but his performances wasn't, he wasn't living up to expectation. So he could be out the team, he could start. The goalkeeper has been doing well. There are other candidates as well that could, get the captaincy. The likes of Scarlett and maybe Clark. So let me know in the comment section, guys, who should be the captain for this U-20 Reggae Boy team. So drop the names in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.